All right, we got Elvis Presley cake today.
Yeah, we start off with just a yellow cake mix. And bake your cake just like your box says. Which is 1 cup of water. A half a cup of vegetable oil. And 3 eggs. And we're going to mix this together.
That arm's getting a workout today, huh?
It is.
You've been baking up a storm.
Okay, now, I'm pour it in your cake pan. We greased ours. Just shake it a little bit where it'll get leveled. Now it's ready to bake. Okay, right here in the center for 28 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna take a can of crushed pineapple, leave your juice in there. And then you're gonna take, that's your pineapple, with 1.5 cups of sugar. Elvis Presley liked his sweet.
Absolutely. Especially later in life, huh?
Yeah. And you're going to cook this after it boils. It needs to cook for about 5 minutes.
All right, so we're gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna make the cream cheese frosting.
Icing, yes.
Oh, yeah.
8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Half a stick of butter, softened. Okay, we're gonna take this and cream this together first.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar. We're gonna add them one at a time.
Elvis is dancing in the clouds right now watching this video.
That's right. Can't wait to have this good old cake. There's our 2nd cup of powdered sugar. And we need a teaspoon of vanilla.
All right.
Vanilla flavoring. Okay, we're gonna get this all mixed up. Good and smooth it is. Now, we're going to put some pecans in here. And then we'll mix it up a little bit.
Y'all say pecans or pecans?
I say pecans. What do you say?
I say pecans.
And when you do your icing, if you want a few more pecans, you can. Now we just wait for our cake to finish so we can ice it.
Great.
Looks delicious. Smells delicious.
Ooh, baby. Oh, yeah.
No,
Looks good.
that smells good too.
Okay,
Okay, now we are going to poke holes.
All right, then we're going to poke some holes.
Just go through and put quite a few little holes in your cake.
Just like Grandma did.
And all this good pineapple juice get down in there. Make it so moist. This cake will need to be kept in the refrigerator.
Oh, baby.
Okay. Well, we got quite a bit of cake in there. Now you're going to take your pineapple and sugar that you mixed on the stove for 5 minutes. You're going to take this and pour it over.
So it gets in the holes?
Yes. Just dump it on here and spread it out.
Oh, mama.
Your icing is the cream cheese, butter, pecans.
Ooh. I gotta say, this is a good looking cake. I see why Elvis loved it. Smooth it out. This is looking good with the capital G. All right, let's try it.
Okay.
Ooh, that cut real nice
It did.
too.
I'm gonna try this little end right here. Oh, look how good golden brown.
Ooh, that is nicely cooked.
Oh, this is gonna be good. That is delicious.
Ooh, oh mama, look at
Oh.
that cake.
Oh, I don't blame Elvis. This would be my cake too.